Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing, and this one is Dior. I'm super excited to open this one. Let's get into it. Now, I like to leave a personalized note that says, "Hey beautiful." Now, of course, the first thing I grab is the bag. I love it. It's very textured, and I definitely will be turning this into a clutch with an insert. The inside is so soft and it's very spacious. Now let's get into the things I purchased, which is the Christian Dior, the BAUME. Now, this is a hand cream, and when I tell you, it smells so good, amazing, feels great, a little does go a long way. I got the eyelash curler, which is a much needed for my straight eyelashes. The next thing that I got is the beauty set, and when I tell you, this pouch is so soft, I could just rub it all day. Now I got some lip glow, a little mascara, and of course the big mascara, and that's all the goodies that came in the beauty set, and I'm just gonna stuff it in right here. Now let's get into some free samples. I received 2 mini perfumes and of course a miniature perfume and this Dior Sport. And that's all I have for my unboxing.